Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install PhoenixFlow app on your Mac. This is an entire installation guide with all of the steps that you have to take to make sure that this app works. Hi, I'm Daniel. On this channel is normally all about filmmaking, but in this video I will now show you how you can install it. So if you don't know PhoenixFlow app, definitely check out the link in the description and in the pinned post. I will link it here to this landing page, and it's basically a voice-to-text app like WhisperFlow. It's basically the WhisperFlow killer because you don't have to pay any subscription. It has tons and tons of features. When you got PhoenixFlow, you will have this dashboard here where you find PhoenixFlow. You have also a download and the installation guide. So here is the download PhoenixFlow. When you click on this one, you will have a Google Drive file, which is a zip file that you have to download onto your Mac. And also you will find here an installation guide with step 1, step 2, step 3. It's basically what I will show you now in this video, but you can also read that yourself. And I also have the README file, which is basically what I prepared today. It's this file here, installation guide with all of the steps as well. So you don't have to do it online, like read it online. You can also read the installation here offline. So, and when you download the zip file, the first thing you have to do is you have to unclick, like double click the zip file so that you get the DMG file. That's the file that we are working with. This is an application file for Mac that we can use. And just in case, if you don't know how to come to the dashboard, you will get an email when you purchase the app. And in the email, you will have a login to the dashboard. But the dashboard is basically on my website, xlima.net. You will also find here a login. So whatever product you buy from me, if it's my courses, DaVinci and stuff like that, or my products, you will always find here the dashboard when you come in here. So the next step that you have to do is you have to double click here on the DMG file. So you open this one, then you get this window here, and you simply take the PhoenixFlow app and you put it into your applications. You can close this one here and you go into the applications, or here with the search bar with PhoenixFlow, and then the one in the applications is the one you have to start. So I double tap this one, and then the first time it starts, it will show me this one, PhoenixFlow app not open. Apple could not verify PhoenixFlow app. That is because as long as the app is not yet in the App Store available, you have to manually give him access, because Apple doesn't trust that developer yet because it's in early access. You have to go to the next step. So we just say here done. You come here to the settings. You click here on privacy and security, and then you scroll all the way down, and then you will find this one here. PhoenixFlow app was blocked to protect your Mac, and you have to say open anyway. And then here on this step, you have to say here open anyway. And now it will ask you for your code. Now is step number 2 or step number 3. Now you have to actually give PhoenixFlow app the access to your microphone and the system, if you actually want to have system audio as well. So the first one is here. PhoenixFlow would like to access the microphone. Yes, allow. And then also PhoenixFlow would like to control this computer. So you go here to open settings, and under accessibility, we have to go down here to PhoenixFlow and activate this one. Use your code. And now PhoenixFlow should work properly. You will see the icon here on the top. You can come up here, open PhoenixFlow. You see the app. You can come here to the settings, change off your push to talk button and everything. If you changed your settings to the internal audio, you will get another pop-up where you can open here the settings again. This is the second we have to do. This is for the system audio. So I will explain you this in a second again. So we have to give 2 permissions. And we have to quit and reopen the app so that it actually works. So now the app is reopened. If I click here on the Phoenix app logo, under microphone, you have the option to either change it to just the microphone. This was the first permission we gave. Or the app is also capable that you, for example, can go to Zoom or YouTube and you can use the system audio. That's the second permission that we have to give. Or you can, for example, say, no, please listen always to both, and then put everything in. And now if I have this setting and I use my push to talk button, so this is the test. I want to see if I can actually record everything I'm saying right now. I release the button, and here it recorded everything. So now it's actually working. So this was the most important for your installation guide. Number 1, you have to open it anyway to trust the developer. And number 2, you have to give permission to your microphone and the system audio. That's it. Then PhoenixFlow works in the background. It's always here on the top, and you can always open the settings here and go through all of the different settings and tabs here in PhoenixFlow. If you saw this video until now and you don't even have PhoenixFlow, definitely check out my early access account that I'm doing right now. So here on the website, you get it for a one-time. This is the biggest selling point. Instead of a $12 to $15 per month subscription, if you use something like WhisperFlow, this can do everything that WhisperFlow can do, up to 100 languages. Everything is included for a one-time fee. It's basically a no-brainer. I built this app for myself, but it's so amazing that I want to give it to you as well. So see you in the next video. If you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, ding-a-ding-a-bang-bang-gong. We see us in the next video. I'm Daniel. Bye.